Continuing to work on solving two-step equations, I want to point out that there are different styles of the two-step equations that we're going to see. For example, these top four, oops, I need to get my marker going. The top four are the ones we usually see, where I have the multiplication and the division and the addition all separate terms in the problem. But the bottom four are the new ones, or the ones that we don't see as often, and we need to make sure that when we're solving them, we solve them appropriately. So when you solve, you undo the order of operations. So normally, if you're simplifying, you do grouping symbols, parentheses, things like that, powers, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. This is simplifying. But when you're solving, you go backwards. So you're going to start by undoing any addition or subtraction, and then undoing division or multiplication, and then undo it, like taking care of the exponents, and then taking care of what's in the parentheses. So you have to kind of keep your eye open and aware of what type of problem it is that you are looking at. So our normal problems, the ones that we've seen, we've done those already. The regular style where it's just individual terms of operations. Remember that I'd add 6. So 2x equals 14, divide by 2, x equals 7. Hopefully that looks familiar to you. The next example, I have minus 3, x over 4 equals 6. Then I'll times 4, x equals 24. So that's a standard problem. So I'm going to spend a little bit more time on the next two examples, and then I'll let you kind of go on your own. So on the next two examples, on the following, that's where I have my multiplication and my division are sort of blocking me from doing or undoing the addition or subtraction. Because grouping symbols are involved, and this is considered, the fraction bar, that's considered a grouping symbol, I have to take care of the grouping symbol last. So I'm going to have to undo the multiplication or division first, and then take care of the grouping symbol. So this is what it looks like. I have 5 times the quantity x minus 1. Now, I could distribute that through. That's been a method of simplifying that we've done, but I want to solve. And so I can't touch this grouping symbol until I get rid of that 5 that's being multiplied in front. So I'll divide the 5 out. It cancels out. X minus 1 equals 6. And then I can add the 1 to solve. So x equals 7. So a little bit different. Likewise, if I see the division being blocked, or blocking the addition, keep in mind that that's like a grouping symbol there. So I'm going to move this over and write it bigger. This is x plus 10 over 4 equals 5. This 4 that's being divided is blocking the top part that's like in parentheses. So I have to get rid of the division first. Now normally that's the opposite of what we'd think we'd do. When I get rid of the division, those cancel out. I get x plus 10 equals 20, and then I can subtract that out. So your job today is going to be working on this new kind of stuff where we get rid of the multiplication or division before we can reach into the parentheses. So you have 8 problems to go through, some with regular numbers and some with fractions. If you have a question, make sure you contact me, but otherwise, good luck and have a great day.